Welcome to mathematics class, locus part 3. So locus is the set of points that satisfy the given consistent geometric conditions. నిర్దిష్టమైన జ్యామితీయ నియమాలను పాటించే బిందు సమితిని బిందుపథం అంటాం. ఈ బిందుపథానికి సంబంధించి కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మనం చేయడం జరిగింది. సో ఇన్ కంటిన్యూయేషన్, ఫైండ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ లోకస్ ఆఫ్ ఎ పాయింట్, the difference of whose distance is from minus 5 0 and 5 0 is 8. ఈ రెండు బిందువుల నుండి దూరాల భేదము 8 అయితే ఆ బిందు పథాన్ని కనుక్కోండి. So here is the solution. As usual, let any point on the locus x1 comma y1 be any point on the locus of p పైన p బిందుపథం పైన x1 y1 ఏదైనా ఒక బిందువు. Now take the given condition. ఇచ్చినటువంటి నియమాన్ని తీసుకుంటే difference of whose distance from minus 5 0 5 0 is 8. దీన్ని ఆల్జబ్రిక్ ఈక్వేషన్లో రాస్తే the difference of both the points, if you take this one A and this one B, A B అనుకుంటే రెండు బిందువులను, so the difference of PA minus PB is equal to 8 అని ఇచ్చినటువంటి కండిషన్. So the difference here we take it as the mod. The difference can be PA minus PB or PB minus PA. భేదము అన్నప్పుడు మనం మోడ్లో తీసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది, మాపం. Now this gives PA minus PB is equal to plus or minus 8. mod తీసివేస్తే ఇది plus or minus 8 గా రాసుకోవచ్చు. So now bring PB right side. So this can be written as plus or minus 8 plus PB. Now squaring both sides, ఇరువైపులా వర్గం చేయగా, here PA square is equal to PB 8 plus PB whole square. Squaring both sides, ఇరువైపుల వర్గం చేయగా. Now what is PA distance between P and A? That is x plus 5 y plus y minus 0. X plus 5 whole square y minus 0 whole square. This is PA square and squaring this one, a square b square to ab, 8 square is 64. Next, b square is pb square plus 2ab 16 pb plus or minus 16 pb. Now further simplifying, this is x1 square plus 10 x1 plus 25. So this is y1 square. You can bring 64 left side, becomes minus 64, and pb also, so this becomes minus pb square, right side plus or minus only pb, 16 pb. So this is x1 square plus 10 x1 plus y1 square, 64 minus 25, 64 minus 25 plus 25, you write as it is, otherwise plus 64. Now expand this one, minus pb, the distance between p and b, x minus 5 whole square, y minus 0, x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. So this is pb square, and right side no change as it is. You write it as it is, y1 square plus 25 minus 64 minus of, so this is x square minus 10 x1 plus 25 plus y1 square is equal to plus or minus 16 pb, no change, x1 square plus 10 x1 plus y1 square plus 25 minus 64, multiplying with minus, this becomes minus x square, minus into minus 10 x1 minus 25 minus y1 square, and right side no change, plus 25 minus 25 plus y1 minus y1 square will get cancelled. Now what is remaining, you see, and x1 also will get cancelled. So what are remaining, 10x, so that is 20x1 and minus 64 is equal to plus or minus 16 pb. Now dividing both left side right side with 4, 4 చే భాగించగా ఇరువైపులా 4 చే భాగించగా ఫర్దర్ you can simplify it. 4 5 ja, this is 5x1, this is 16, 4 16 ja 64, and this is 4 4 ja 4pb. So now again squaring both sides, again squaring both sides. Now what is there? I am writing again 5x minus 16, 5x minus 16 left side and square, right side 4pb. So squaring both sides we get this one. Expanding by using a minus b whole square laga దీన్ని విస్తరిస్తే 5x whole square అంటే 25x square, 16 square 256, and 2ab is 2 into 5 into 16, 160x, 160x, and right side 4 square is 16, plus or minus square anyhow it becomes positive, and pb square again, pb square is x minus 5 y minus 0, x minus 5 whole square y minus 0 whole square. This is pb square. So 25 as it is, this you can write x square minus 10x plus 25 plus y square. So further you can multiply with 16, this becomes 16x square minus 160x. So 16 into 25, this is 400, and this is 16y1 square. So both sides you can cancel the equal terms. I am writing minus 160 x1. So minus 160 x1 minus 160 x1 will get cancelled, and bringing all the terms one side. So what we get here, 25x square plus 256, so this is minus 16x square, so this is minus 400, this is minus 16y square. I am bringing all the terms left side and further simplifying. 25x square minus 16x square, 25 minus 16 we get 9x square, and 16y square minus 16y square, minus 400 plus 256 minus 144. This is what we get. So generalizing this equation, that will give us the required equation of the locus. దీన్ని జనరలైజ్ చేస్తే కావాల్సినటువంటి బిందుపథ సమీకరణం వస్తుంది. సో the required locus is 9x square minus 16y square. You can bring 144 right side, 144. This is the required equation of locus, or this can be written by dividing with 144. By dividing with 144, this can be written x square by 16 and y square by 9 is equal to 1. In this form also we can write it. So ఇది కావాల్సినటువంటి బిందుపథ సమీకరణం. ఇది 2 సార్లు మనం స్క్వేరింగ్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ చేయాల్సి వచ్చింది. సో లిటిల్ లెంతీ ప్రాబ్లం బట్ ఈజీ. ముందుగా ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఇచ్చినటువంటి కండిషన్ను పిఏ మైనస్ మోడ్ పిఏ మైనస్ పిబి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 8గా రాసుకొని, మోడ్యులస్ అంటే ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్గా తీసుకొని, తర్వాత పిబి రైట్ సైడ్ తీసుకువెళ్ళి స్క్వేరింగ్ బోత్ సైడ్స్. So and simplifying we get this one. So again squaring both sides, simplifying, we reach the final equation of the locus. So this is how we solve this equation. So now let us take up one more. Find the equation of locus of P if A23, B2 minus 3 and PA plus PB is equal to 8. It is almost similar to the previous one. The condition is clear in this problem. ఇక్కడ ఈక్వేషన్ వారే ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. PA plus PB 8గా ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్. Now as usual let P x1 y1 be any point on the locus of P. P బిందుపథం పైన ఏదైనా బిందువు P x1 y1 అనుకుంటే ఇచ్చినటువంటి కండిషన్, now the given condition is PA plus PB is equal to 8. This is the given condition, almost similar to the previous one. Now take PB right side, 8 minus PB. Now squaring both sides, ఇరువైపులా వర్గం చేయగా we get PA square is equal to 8 minus PB square. So now this is PA square. This is expanding this by using a minus b whole square. A square b square 2ab. 8 square is 64 minus 2ab, or b square is PB square minus 2ab, 2 into 8, 16 PB. PA is nothing but distance between P and A, PB distance between PB. Now what is P x1 y1 and A 2, 3. So PA is nothing but distance between PA x minus 2 y minus 3. X minus 2 y minus 3, and you can bring 64 becomes minus 64, and this also minus PB whole square, and right side minus 16 PB. So this one, simplifying, x square minus 4x plus 4, and this is, I am not using 1 1 1, it is understood by default. So y square minus 6y1 only, wherever x and y, all points are, we are taking them as x1 y1, plus 3 square is 9 minus 64. So now you can write PB, the distance between P and B is x minus 2 y plus 3, x minus 2 whole square y plus 3 whole square. So this is the distance formula, we know it. In 10th class also it is there. Distance between any two points under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We are using that basic distance formula. Further simplifying, x square minus 4x, so 9 plus 4 is 13, y1 square minus 6y1 minus 64, so this x1 square minus 4x1 plus 4 plus y1 square plus 6y1 plus 9 is equal to minus 16 PB. So this is almost same, no change, minus 64, and multiplying with minus x1 square, minus into minus plus, this is minus 4. So I am adding 9 for minus, so this is, I am adding 9 and 4, plus 13 becomes minus 13, and minus y square minus 6y1 is equal to minus 16 PB, right side no change. So minus 13 plus 13 will get cancel, and x1 square minus x1 square also will get cancel, and y1 square minus y1 square also will get cancel, and what is remaining you can see here, minus x term also will get cancelled, 4x1 here, 6 minus 6 minus 12 y1 and minus 64 is equal to minus 16 PB. This is what we get, and dividing with minus 16 minus 4, dividing all the terms by minus 4, so minus sign will change, minus 4 తో భాగిస్తే minus minus plus అవుతుంది, 4 3 ja, so this is 3 y1, ఇది minus minus plus అవుతుంది, 64 divided by 4 16 is equal to minus minus plus 4 4 ja 16. సో సింప్లిఫై చేయగా మనకు ఈ విధంగా వచ్చింది. నౌ ఫర్దర్ వీ కెన్ స్క్వేర్ బోత్ సైడ్స్. ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ 2 సార్లు మనం స్క్వేరింగ్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. సో స్క్వేరింగ్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ అగైన్ I am taking another board. Now squaring both sides. 3y plus 16, 3y plus 16 whole square, and right side 4pb whole square. So squaring both sides. So this is 9y1 square. 16 square is 256 plus 2ab is 96y1. 2 into 3y into 16, 2ab. 4 square is 16 and pb square. This is 9y1 square, 256, 96y1, 16. What is pb? X minus 2, y plus 3. X minus 2 and y plus 3 whole square, and right side simplifying x square minus 4x plus 4, and this is y square plus 6y plus 9, and multiplying with 16. This is 16 x square, 64 x, this is 64, 16 y1 square, this is 96 y1, this is 144, 16 into 9 is 144. Further, you can see some terms will get cancelled. So 96y1 and 96y1, same left side right side, 256 plus 96y1. So 96y1, 96y1 both are same, get cancelled. So what are remaining? 9y1 square plus 256, here 16 x square, 64x plus 64, you can add 144, 64, 140, 60, 200, 208, 140, 60, 200, 448, 208. So now this is 16 y1 square, bringing left side terms right side. Now 16 x square minus 64x plus 208 plus 16 y1, and this becomes minus 9y1 square minus 256. లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఉన్నటువంటివి రైట్ సైడ్కి తీసుకొచ్చి రాసాం. నౌ ఫర్దర్ సింప్లిఫైయింగ్ 16x square as it is, and y two terms are there. 16 minus 9 is 7. So plus 7 y square, and x terms minus 64 x. So number 208 to 256 here minus 48. So generalizing this, we get the required equation of locus. So locus is 16x square plus 7y square minus 64x minus 48 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the locus. It is also similar to the previous one. ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు, ఇచ్చినటువంటి కండిషన్ను తీసుకొని మనం squaring both sides and simplifying will get the required equation of the locus. So time is running out. Now it is time to take equation of locus of P if A 40, B minus 40 and mod PA minus PB is 4. It is almost similar to the just now what we did. And second one also, find the equation of locus of a point. The sum of whose distances from 0 to and 0 minus 2 is 6. It is also very similar to the previous problem. So I have given the hint also. The sum of distances ante PA plus PB is equal to 6. The condition is you take the condition as PA plus PB and solve as we did in the problems. నేను చెప్పిన లెక్కల మాదిరిగానే ఉన్నాయి. వీటన్నింటిని మీరు ఇంటి దగ్గర ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.